David, congratulations on becoming an American citizen.
Thanks, Brian. Let's see if it's improved my pool game, shall we?
Sure.
So it's looking good, Brian. It's looking good.
David, from your perspective, what makes Domino stand out in the crowded field of digital suppliers? What makes you so good?
So, Brian, as you know, here at Domino, we don't take ourselves too seriously. We focus on our customers and our customers' customers. That focus shapes into 4 key pillars. Those pillars are choice, making money for our customers, supporting our customers, and trust. So, let me first talk about choice. As you know, Domino has a full range of UV inkjet digital printing solutions. That means that we're able to provide the right solution for our customers' book of business. We don't have to fit a square peg in a round hole. Let's move on to making money. Of course, everybody understands that in this new day and age that you're not going to purchase an asset unless you're going to make money out of it. Domino customers are already making money from our digital solutions, utilizing the benefits that they offer: speed, print quality, print consistency, and additional capacity. How are we able to provide that, you would ask? So Domino's been able to achieve this position by engineering out the manual intervention in our digital solutions portfolio. That is still required, of course, by many of our competitors' solutions. What does that transcend into? Well, it means more uptime, added revenue, and of course, increased profit. Let's now move on to support. Well, support is a key fundamental for any partnership between a supplier and a customer. Domino prides itself on our dedicated field service, project management, and production analytics. If you were to ask our customers, I'm sure that they would respond with, Domino provides great equipment. We provide fantastic service, but moreover, we provide fantastic support in helping them grow their business. They tell us that that is a tangible market differentiator. And finally, trust. So, do you trust me, Brian?
I do.
With the biggest UV inkjet install base in North America, I believe that Domino has earned the respect and trust of our customers and the marketplace. We have 40 years experience in inkjet technology. We are fiscally very strong, and also we're in control of our own destiny. We manufacture our own equipment, and we also manufacture our fluids. Domino stands behind its commitments. So if I was to leave you with one final statement, I would say, Brian, if you were buying a Domino piece of equipment and we didn't believe it was the correct fit for you, we would recommend that you didn't buy it and look at an alternative. We are in this for the long term. Our goal is long-term partnership, not just a one-off sale.